Alright, here we go. Geometry 7-6, similarity transformations. Okay, first a few terms. Transformation is an operation that maps an original figure, or what we call the pre-image, onto a new figure, called the image. Then a dilation is a type of transformation that enlarges or reduces the original figure proportionally. Very important, this is proportionally. And then the scale factor is the ratio of a length on the image to a corresponding length of the pre-image. Okay, for this, add to your notes here, this is supposed to be, this is going to be new, the image is the new, to original. Okay, new to original. Alright. We have a dilation and that produces a similar figure, so that transformation is also called a similarity transformation, which is what we're looking at today. So here we have the original figure, original in blue, and then the new figure in green, and those are similar. Now this is around a center of dilation. Okay, in this case the center of dilation is the origin. Alright, different types of dilations that we have. If the scale factor, so it's being enlarged, is more than 1, it's being enlarged. Okay, if the scale factor k is greater than 1, and we're multiplying it by more than 1, so it becomes larger. In this case, this has a scale factor of 3. So times 3 means it's going to be 3 times as large afterwards. If the scale factor, k, is between 0 and 1, so we're multiplying it by a fraction, then that results in a reduction. So for example, if the scale factor is 1/4, that means I multiply every side by 1/4 to get the new sides. Okay, we want to look at this and see, is this an enlargement or a reduction? The original figure is in blue, so A. Obviously, this is a reduction, and we want to know what the scale factor is. So in order to find the scale factor, I want to know the length of one side and compare that to the length of the other. Remember, we always do new to original, so B is smaller, so it's a reduction. The distance between these vertices, from here to there, that is 6 units. And then the distance from these vertices, this is at -1.5 to +1.5, that's 3 units. Now that's the new shape, so we're going to put new over original. New over original. New over original. So the scale factor is 3/6, and then simplify that down to 1/2. Okay, again, we want to know, is this an enlargement or a reduction from A to B? A is in blue, that's our original in blue, and then B is the new. So this is an enlargement, okay, because B is larger than A. And then we can measure here, and ideally you want to see somewhere where we're exactly at a coordinate. So from here to here, this is 3 units. And then from here to here we have 4 units. Now remember, new over original. So the new is 4, the original was 3, so the scale factor is 4/3. Okay, graph this and then verify that this is a similarity transformation. Okay, graphing all the points from the original results in a triangle looking like this, and then the new one, we have this triangle. Now we have to check to see, is this a similarity transformation? So in order to do that, I'm going to measure the sides. Okay, we know that both of these have right angles, so that's a good starting point. We know an angle. Measure the sides. We've got 6 units right here, 6 here, 4 here. So now I can compare these. I'm going to do new to original. So I'm going to do 6/9, and check to see Is that new to original? Is that proportional? Okay, well 6 over 9, is that proportional to 4 over 6? 6 over 9 reduces to 2/3, and 4 over 6 reduces to 2/3. So it is proportional, which means this is a similarity transformation. We know that these two triangles are similar based on side angle side. And that's about all the fun we're going to have today. See you next time.